Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix the Messenger audio not working problem. Let's begin. First, make sure your phone's volume is turned up and that it's not connected to a Bluetooth device, as the audio may be playing through another device. Next, restart your phone and open Messenger again. If the problem still isn't fixed, open the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down and tap Apps, find and tap Messenger. Go to Storage, tap Clear Cache. Now go back to the App Info page and tap Force Stop. Tap OK to confirm. After that, tap Permissions and make sure microphone is allowed. If you're having trouble with voice messages or calls, Messenger needs microphone access to work properly. Next, open the Google Play Store or the App Store and search for Messenger. If an update is available, tap Update to install the latest version. Once the update is complete, restart your phone and check if the audio is working properly. If you're still having issues, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, as a poor internet connection can affect Messenger calls and voice messages. That's how you can fix the Messenger audio not working problem. Thanks for watching.